Alright, what's up guys? So today we're starting off the day at Franklin's. You can see Franklin's trucks behind me. We're actually waiting for Travis to get here, and we're getting a new cab for Travis's truck. So for those of you who don't know, Travis is a friend of mine who has a 71 F100 short bed 4x4 truck. I'll put a link to the video, and he actually ended up rolling the truck off-roading. So the truck got high centered. They went to get out to kind of look at it, and then the truck started to roll backwards, hit like a bank, and then flipped over. It rolled once, and then the top of the cab got smashed. So we are fixing the truck, and we're gonna go up and pick up the cab. It's about 2 hours, 2.5 hours from here. Kind of sucks, so we gotta take the truck, not this truck, a different truck. Go get a trailer, and then trailer all the way up north of LA. And we're in San Diego, so we gotta go north of LA, which is like 2 hours, 2.5 hours with a trailer. Pick up the cab at a guy's shop. Hopefully we can look around the guy's shop. He has some really cool stuff I kind of want to show you. So we're gonna go get a new cab, put it next to Travis's truck. But regardless, I thought I would cover this kind of cab swap because I know a lot of you guys probably want to see it. And we aren't junking his truck. We're gonna fix it. I think Travis has another transmission he wants to put in at the same time. So there's a lot of stuff that's gonna get going with his truck. We're gonna change the cab and fix a bunch of stuff. So yeah, it should be a pretty cool day. We gotta go get a cab, and I haven't been putting stuff in my transmission up because I have been waiting on parts for like a week. But I got my parts in, I got my hardware in, so now I just need 2 people. I've been waiting for friends to kind of help me out. So my transmission will hopefully be getting done within the next few days. It'll be in, and I can get a drive shaft measured, and then we'll go from there. But yeah, we're waiting for Travis to show up, and then we'll get everything loaded up, and we'll head up there. Update, we stopped. We made it to Lake Elsinore. It's about an hour in. We still have like an hour. And yeah.
We picked up the trailer.
Our trailer, yeah, we picked up trailer. Trailer hasn't broke yet. No tires have exploded yet. We're taking a pee break. That's the real reason we pulled over.
It's hot.
It's like 95 out, probably something. He's going pee. It's hot. Oof. All right, update. We have like 10 PSI in this tire. I don't know why.
It's 15.
Yeah, there's like 15 PSI in it. So, still have to get air. We'll just put some air in it. While Travis, who we're getting the cab for, is just sitting in the side doing nothing.
Hey, Travis, come work. This is your cab.
Hey, you lazy butt. Where is we? I really don't. I have no idea where we are.
We're in Norco or something? I don't know. There we go.
Forget how to fill up the tire. And onward.
I see these rotted out hard.
Yeah, the one on my truck was pretty rough.
One thing I don't like about it, but it's not that bad, is somebody dinged all this up right here. Mine was rotted out.
A little bit. But really
Well, we were going to cut the whole floor out, so I don't know what you're doing with that. But.
I cut the floor out of my cab, but I feel like it. It's really windy, so I'm sorry if there's wind noise.
Yeah, I stopped him right there. He's probably good.
Yeah. That's good.
Right there, good, right there.
Yeah, twist it, guys.
Twist it?
Yeah.
Not too bad.
Like I said, it's really in pretty good shape.
Better than yours.
Yeah.
Much better than mine.
Not mine.
Good. So I've still got the VIN on my truck. I just rolled my cab, so it's good. I really don't think it's going to go anywhere. But
I can probably take all the whatever wiring. No, it's already off. Yay.
It's pretty easy. It's pretty easy.
What? Oh, I know. Oh, what the heck? Mock-up heads?
Yeah, Marco block.
That's so sick.
The block's probably come too. Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, go.
Oh, that's...
Take welded.
You need to do this.
Oh, whoa, okay.
You need to do
I'll take it
this.
for you, dude.
Look at how tight the cage is.
Almost think it's good.
Wow.
It's a FJ Land Cruiser. I don't know my years of Land Cruisers, so it's my laser cutter, super good friend. He's just done me a million favors over the years, so I just told him just bring me it. I'll put it together for you and finish all the fab work. And body's off at paint right now, so.
Oh, dang.
We're in the middle of just doing this entire deal, building all that, building the bottom of the fuel tank mount. This is like the top template, so it's one big piece.
Is it me or does this look small?
Everything looks small when it doesn't have wheels and tires on it. It's like this, looks super short. Even my Ranger was like that. And then when you get the fiberglass and everything on it, then it looks normal. But yeah, it just looks super small when it's like this.
You guys lengthen the wheelbase at all, or is it still like 115?
It's 125.
125?
Wow, that's right where you want to be, huh?
Yeah.
Goodness.
Mine's 120. I had a long bed and shortened it.
You know what? This one's 122, actually, now that I think about it. I think it's 120.
I shortened mine 11 inches.
So there's nothing
The
but
Ranger's
a...
125. I think we got that one at 125. I think it's
The shop I work
122.
at, we're doing a SRT 10 truck in a tube chassis.
Oh, okay, cool.
It's huge. Takes up like half the shop.
F100s are super popular right now.
Yeah, I have a 71, he has a 67, he has a 71.
Yeah.
So this is right up our alley. Just, we'd like to get here one day.
Everything on it is perfect.
Really good stuff. What's to get it to this stage? What does something like that cost?
Yeah, we're probably like 35 labor.
Yeah. Wow.
He brought a lot of the parts. He brought us the beams. I think they're threat beams. They're they're Threat Motorsports. Yeah, they're Threat Motorsports trailing arms. He brought us that. That was a Camberg housing. He brought us that. He brought us the engine and tranny. But the engine went to Maruzzi. He's doing his 650 horse pump gas deal on it.
Okay.
418 inch.
And you guys made the frame?
Yeah. He brought us the original frame rails, but honestly, it's more labor to just plate those and make it look good. So we're like 4 or 5 days ahead of the game just shooting our own frame rails. So
Well, there you go. Yeah, it looks awesome. Everything looks super, super good. So when you're removing the motor, does it just come forward, or is this bar comes out
bolts, yeah, it just
and it comes up and forward? Yeah,
Pretty straightforward. Yeah.
that's awesome.
Thank you, Jeff. Appreciate it.
That's something else. Engine's all set back. You gotta do that, man.
Yeah, we pushed the motor back a lot.
Yeah, I could tell. Looks really good. That's
Ranger
wild.
ended up being 50-50 exactly on the nose, so I would love to have this truck like 54 to 55% on the back if it works out that way, and it might. So
That's killer.
yeah, this one's got it too.
Oh, got it.
I got the coilovers in the back of my truck. They keep telling me I need by tomorrow. I'm like, I can do the deal.
Well, dude, that one's come up considerably in cost. Considerably. So, you know, it's probably only 30, maybe sometimes 20 to 30% cheaper than chromoly. Just don't use electricity, and that's like the worst thing that they can do.
Yeah, it's
Look at all that hydraulic bump.
It's junk. It's still
2.5 coilover. You're doing a 2.5, right, Franklin?
Huh?
You're doing a 2.5 in the back, right?
Want to?
There's only 2.
It's the plan.
So I made him cut it all out and slice in a whole new piece of steel. Cool. That's what we do.
Has the same tire deal that we have on the that we're doing on the back. We pretty much do them all like that, just because we're the only guys doing it. So we're the only guys doing it right now.
Oh, the trunk setup?
Yeah, I saw the
That was so
F-150
cool.
on our off-road nights last year.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's super cool.
I keep forgetting to register. I was gonna take the Ranger
So,
this year.
hydraulic and lifts up.
Yeah.
That's so
coming up pretty
sick.
quick here. Yeah. That's coming up pretty quick.
Okay, let's go work on your truck, cut it all up.
What's talking about?
Alright, so now we're gonna take this lovely cab, and we're gonna do that other thing with it. Alright, update, we made it to our first destination, Disneyland. We're at Disneyland! Yeah! And we
Go on the rides!
Yeah!
Alright, let's go.
It's alright.
Oh, your rear window's tinted now, Travis.
Not again!
It's tinted.
He doesn't like the tinted window.
Why?
Look at the size of that diff, man.
Forded, baby. Oh, what the heck? That has like a semi-truck diff in it. Oh, that's why.
Super Duty.
Look how much the transfer case has dropped.
Oh my god.
Wow. This is a legit street truck.
There's Kings on it, dude.
There's?
Yeah.
Oh, those are little baby Kings.
I just got washers on it. You got like real risk misalignments, dude.
We have made it to the coolest place in the world, Bass Pro Shops. I'm so happy. Franklin, we're at Bass Pro Shops.
Dude, this is like.
I've actually never been here. So for those of you who haven't been to Bass Pro Shops, or I don't know if they have Bass Pro Shops outside of America, but
They have it.
this is like the coolest like outdoorsman place you'll ever see in your life. Look at how big this place is.
Like gorgeous.
So sick. So I came here to get the hat which Travis is wearing because everyone I hang out with seems to have a Bass Pro Shop hat but me. So we're gonna walk around and go get one. Yeah, we really came up here to get a hat, not a cab. That was kind of useless. Ooh, I bet you I can get some boots here finally. I need some boots. Everyone's telling me I need boots. I need to get some boots.
Do I not have?
Heck yeah.
I think I need another dark green one.
getting
Mine's
one.
dirty.
I'm getting like 4. I'm gonna get this one. Go. Yeah, okay, we're set. That's all I came here for.
How are we gonna get the boots from the bottom? You got it? Oh. Here's that E-Rod. Lift it.
Watch your step coming to the end.
I got you.
One.
Thank you. Hey, we did it!
Download that app.
My goodness.
It's not rusted out either.
No, this is actually really good.
Just like surface.
So there's just little dents everywhere, which can be easily pulled out. It's a little ripply, not a big deal. A couple big dents up there,
A
but
lot cleaner than my cab, I'll tell you that much.
can all get pulled out. Not a big deal. I think all these dents are just from stuff dropping on it.
Probably.
That makes sense.
But
Once you get like 5, then it gets light.
everything's there. This bracket's all jumbled. So
It's much lighter.
I don't see any holes, but the floor is pitted. So we'll see. We will fix you.
It's a highway cab.
Yeah. I forgot. Alright guys, so I'm gonna close the video out now. I'm pretty happy we got a cab. That cab was free. It was just a 3-hour drive to go get it. I really was kind of happy that we actually got to see that guy's shop. That's like parts of his shop, and he does amazing work. That F100 is just mind-blowing. Kind of upset it has an LS motor, but that seems to be the common trend with pre-runners. But yeah, regardless, we are going to be doing that truck pretty soon. I don't know how Travis works or what his schedule is like, but hopefully he gets working on that pretty soon. We're pretty much going to gut his current cab and cut it all up, make it as light as we can to lift it off, do all sorts of certain work underneath the truck to kind of prep it, because I mean, if we're down there, we might as well do a lot of the work needed. And then slowly work our way cleaning the other cab and getting the cab on. I'll probably film the whole process of getting it on, or as much as I can. It's like an hour drive for me to go to his house and do that. So I'm just thought it'd be cool to do, to kind of document his little progress with that truck. But yeah, so like the video if you did enjoy, let me know what you do think down in the comments below. My 5-speed is getting done very soon. I'm super sorry about that. There's a lot of knowledge I got to think about with doing this, because this is my first transmission swap, and it's a lot of money worth of stuff, so I do not want to do it wrong. I'll explain in the 5-speed video. There's a lot of counterbalancing with the flywheel weights, and I was very, very concerned that I had the wrong one, because I bought all the stuff used. I was concerned it was on a roller motor, which has a different counterbalance weight. It's 28 ounce on an older motor like mine versus a 50 ounce, I believe, on a roller motor. So I was very, very concerned that I had the wrong weight, which would have destroyed everything. So I just took a second. I was calling people, talking to people, ordering different parts, making sure my belt housing fit. There's a big long list of stuff that hopefully I'll be able to explain properly in the next 5-speed video, because I've filmed over like 4 different days, so hopefully it's not confusing, it's straightforward. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video, so thanks for watching.